I'm Morten. My team and I are building the new Maxis network, and I promise you can watch your YouTube videos with zero buffering 96.1% of the time. In fact, I'll bet my life on it.
Okay, so for our test, we've got a saw blade that's going to be moving at a constant speed and a sofa that's going to be moving as fast as the video loads based on the network speed.
I'll be sitting in this couch, comfortable, watching my favorite video, and as long as the video plays, this will move forward. Behind me will be this blade. If the video stops, the couch will stop, but the blade will continue.
And that would cut right through a sofa or a person, lickety-split.
This is my panic button. If something goes wrong, I can override the test, but I hope it's not happened today.
Okay, Morten, start the blade. Okay, stop the blade, stop the blade.
Yeah. Oh, I feel relaxed. It's still here in one piece, but I know the teams have put a lot of effort into building Maxis' new network, and I enjoyed the cat video.